Handstand, inverted, back to wall, shrug, stick. A lot of adult handstand beginners need to build an awareness of shoulder elevation in the handstand. Performing wall-facing handstand shrugs can often be too advanced for beginners, and that's where the inverted handstand, back to wall shrugs can help. To perform this exercise, you will need a stick to hold onto. Grip the stick with a shoulder width grip and stand with your back against a solid upright object. Start by setting a posterior pelvic tilt, PPT, by contracting your glutes and tucking your tailbone between your legs to press the lower back into the upright surface. During this exercise, do not allow the lower back to come off the wall. Next, hold your arms straight out in front of you. Focus on trying to snap the stick by twisting your hands towards your pinky fingers. This will create shoulder external rotation and help to keep the elbows locked. Notice that the elbow pits face up. Keeping the lower back flat on the upright surface, the elbows locked and your rib cage pulled down, slowly flex the shoulders to lift your arms overhead. If you lack shoulder flexibility, you might not be able to open the shoulder angle to 180 degrees of shoulder flexion while keeping your lower back flat on the upright surface. If this is the case, keep your lower back flat on the upright surface and lift your arms as high as shoulder flexibility will allow. You can perform the shrugs at a slight angle. From here, keep the elbows locked as you elevate the shoulders towards your ears. Then, reverse the movement by depressing the shoulder blades by pulling them down your back towards your back pockets. All of this is happening while you're keeping your lower back flat on the upright surface, your rib cage pulled down, and the elbows locked. Handstand shrugs can be performed for repetitions, isometric holds, or a combination of the two. Performing 10 reps with a 10-second shoulder elevated hold at the end of the set is a good starting place for most people. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.